Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change your default save option in Office to your local disk, because ever since Office 2013 and now Office 365, you were logged in to OneDrive. It like by default to save everything to the cloud, every document. So that to me is very frustrating because I don't want to be saving my documents to the cloud. I mean, a lot of the stuff is personal. It doesn't need to be on the cloud. Every once in a while, yes, I have a document I need to store in the cloud. That's fine. Then I can save that option. But by default, I hate how when you update or if you log into OneDrive, it now defaults all your documents to OneDrive. So to make that change, it's actually very simple. You open up Word, any Word version, 2013 or newer. Go to File, go to Options, and then we're going to go to the Save tab here. And if you see right here, Save to Computer by default. So once you check this, it's going to actually save the document to this default local file location. So if you want to even change that, you can change it where it defaults to save, and you can change that there. So once you check box that, and if you're okay with that path, then hit OK. And now when I go to save or save as, it's always going to default to my actual local disk, my documents, and it's not going to default to OneDrive that you see right there. And we're actually not signed in, but in any case, that's what it'll do. And what's nice about this change is it actually changes it for all the Office products. So now when you open up Excel, PowerPoint, anything like that, it's actually going to, you can go to the options in here, and you can see that it changed it for that too. So you can see save to computer by default. So it changed it for all your Office applications, which that's really nice that Office and Microsoft did that. That's one nice thing that I have to change, because you don't have to individually go to each application and change that. So yeah, that's as simple as it is. You just go to File, Options, and set that checkbox, and you'll be good to go. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.